give it up for Ciaran Lavery.
Up in the morning, out on the job, work like the devil for my pay. But that lucky old sun has nothing to do but roll around heaven all day. Fuss with my woman, toil for my kids, sweat till I'm wrinkled and gray, while that lucky old sun has nothing to do but roll around heaven all day. Good Lord up above, can't you know that I'm pining? Tears all in my eyes. Send down a cloud with a silver lining. Take me to paradise. Show me that river. Take me across and wash all my troubles away. Like that lucky old sun, give me nothing to do but roll around heaven all day. Good Lord up above, can't you know that I'm pining? Tears all in my eyes. Send down a cloud with a silver lining. Take me to paradise. Show me that river. Take me across and wash all my troubles away. Like that lucky old sun, give me nothing to do but roll around heaven all day. Thanks, y'all. Just gonna play some dance numbers. This gets turned dance for anyone, just please let me know, because it's already kind of feeling that way. My name's Ciaran, and I've got no suntan lotion on, so we'll see how this goes. That's nice. Do you ever feel like Jesus Christ? 'Cause you're holding yourself like you're bound to leave this life. I feel like a motor car with nowhere to go. Time is just a cigarette and my life is smoke. Yesterday has come and gone, yet it clings to my skin like a memory or song. I was just a passing through, now I'm here to stay. Lead me down the garden path, I'm destined to stray. And my heart is a hurricane, and my hands don't feel the same way. And time moves slow today, and my love and I can wait. I've been all over your town, and I've been through your gate. I've heard almighty sounds. Careful goes the dreamer with their head in the sky. Busy little fever right between your eyes. In my heart is a hurricane. In my hands don't feel the same way. And time moves slow today. And my love and I can wait. From the lights of the evening to the books on your shelf, I've wanted you for so long, and I cried in every doorway and empty hall, waiting for the morning bell just to raise my eyes. Come to me easy now, I'm a broken prize. In my heart is a hurricane. In my hands don't feel the same way. And time moves slow today. And my love and I can wait. In my heart is a hurricane. In my hands don't feel the same way. And time moves slow today. And my love and I can wait. Thank you. Someone's impatient. I'm just gonna play one more ditty, and then we can all chill out. I just want to thank Mark and Ross and all the team that made this boat happen. It's my second year on the boat, and fun fact, it's also my second time on a boat inside 2 years. So the only time I've been on a boat in 2 years has been on this boat in Austin. So you can tell your friends about that one. I got some shows coming up this week as well, and yeah, it's just nice to be here, and I'm glad that the rain has stopped, and hopefully I'll get some sunburn this week and look super toasty for the duration, because I look really good when I'm red. So anyway, I've got a hangover. Sorry. Feeling like a million years rolling up past me by. I used to be green and careless, now I'm seldom taken by surprise. Hey there, mama, you see me now? Well, Look how you boys grown up. I used to be afraid of falling. Now I couldn't give a fuck. But this is no funeral horn. What this is a return to form. Everyone's accelerating at a speed I can't keep up. All of these things they're selling, I've no idea or need for a single one. Hey there, mama, you see me now? Well, look how you boys grown up. I used to be afraid of falling. Now I couldn't give a fuck. But this is no funeral horn. What this is a return to form. See me now, well, look how you boys grown up. I used to be afraid of falling. Now I couldn't give a fuck. But this is no funeral horn. What this is a return to form. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your time.